Sa project na ito, we're gonna use a medium weight yarn, or I think this is a number 4. It is acrylic and the brand is called Love Nuts. Makakabili din kayo nito sa Shopee or sa Lazada, and I will add a link below kung gusto nyo makita yung kung saan pwedeng bumili ng ganitong klaseng yarn. So to start, mag-chain lang tayo ng kahit ilang gusto natin, depende sa lapad ng headband na gagawin natin. So for me, I'm going to chain maybe 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25. So actually, minus mo yung 8 dyan kasi whatever number of chains na ma-produce mo, mag-a-add ka ng 8 chains. After nyan, mag-start tayo ng first 2 rows natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna yarn over twice, and into that chain 5, we're going to work our parang double crochet pero hindi natin tatapusin. So magkakaroon tayo ng 3 loops sa hook, and we're going to yarn over, skip 3 chains, and then into the 4th gagawa ulit tayo ng parang double crochet. So actually, we're gonna pull through 2 loops at a time kada yarn over natin. Pull through 2, pull through 2. So yan, nakagawa tayo ng 2 double crochet at nakapag-produce tayo ng 2 mesh na stitch. So next is mag-chain 1 first, and then after chaining 1, yarn over twice para tayong mag treble crochet, pero hindi dito sa pinakagitna, dito sa taas ng 2 loops. Ito yung una, diba? Tapos ito yung pangalawa, parang taas siya ng first double crochet sa baba. Dito tayo mag-yarn over and then pull through 2 loops. Yan. So ito yung makikreate natin na parang pinaka chain 1 space sa gitna. And then mag-yarn over tayo and mag-skip tayo ng stitch. 1 stitch lang, 1 chain, and then into the next we're gonna work parang half double crochet, but we're going to pull through 2 loops at one time. So bali 2, 3, 4. So 4 times tayo na nag-pull through 2 loops at nakapag-create tayo ng 2 double crochet at the same time. So ulitin lang natin yan hanggang sa makarating tayo sa dulo. So again, we're gonna chain 1, yarn over twice, into the middle we're gonna go through those 2 loops, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and then skip 1 chain, and then into the next we're gonna pull up 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and finally yun. So yan, pag tinuloy-tuloy natin, makakabuo tayo ng 2 rows. Okay, last chain. Ganito na yung itsura niya after natin ma-finish ang dalawang row. So, di ba mas magandang gawin ang ganito, lalo na kapag nagmamadali tayo sa mga MTOs natin na headbands. Kasi mas mapapabilis dahil nakakatapos tayo ng 2 rows at the same time. Ang next naman is ito-turn na natin to make another 2 rows. So, ang starting chain ay 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, once you have 7 chains, yan, babaligtarin natin. Dito naman tayo sa back. Yarn over twice. And then, into that 5th chain from hook. Yan, gagawa ulit tayo ng half double crochet. Tapos, yarn over. Dito na tayo mag-start. So, for every 1 double crochet of the previous row, gagawa ulit tayo ng parang double crochet pero hindi tapos. And then, we will be pulling through 2 loops at a time para matapos natin yung dalawang double crochet at makabuo tayo ng dalawang rows ng mesh. So, i-continue lang natin yan. Chain 1, uulitin natin, mag-yarn over twice dito sa pinakagitna. Pull up a loop tayo and then pull through 2. So, magiging chain space siya. Yarn over dito sa next na double crochet. Gagawa ulit tayo ng parang double crochet pero hindi tapos. And then yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1, yarn over twice. So, ganun lang siya. So, pag inulit-ulit mo yung 2 rows, ganito yung mangyayari. So, gamit ko yung yarn na binigay sa akin ni Sister Sedi. Si Sedi ay yung may channel na Sedi Aki. So, marami siya mga MTOs and she has given me this yarn na multicolored and I think it's 3-ply and I have used 3mm crochet hook. So, thank you so much, Sedi. So, nagawa ko pa siyang isang headband. At ang size nito ay about 8 times 2, di bali 16 inches. So, So, ganun kahaba yung headband na ginawa ko at ang lapad niya is about 3 1/4 inches. Or about 8.5 centimeters. And then 20 centimeters. So, ang next na gagawin ko is pagdudugtuhin ko sila since we're working back and forth. By the way, yung number of chains ito ay similar lang dun sa pinakita ko dun sa orange na yarn. So, we're gonna chain one first and then we're going to go through those 2 stitches. So, ayan. I'm going to work a single crochet into the middle, single crochet into both double crochets. So, ganyan lang ang pagdugtong ko hanggang sa makaabot ako dito sa dulo.